1 year ago, we drug this Honda CB750 out of a barn in Iowa where it sat for 42 years. Our goal was to get it running there and ride it home over 200 miles as a test of our skills. Unfortunately, the engine was so far seized and we were unable to get it going, so we had to throw in the towel with a plan to battle another day. That day is today as we start the process of rebuilding this engine to get this bike going once again. This is episode 1 of the CB750 Revival. So what we have here is a 1972 CB750. So we drug this thing out of a barn in Iowa where it sat for 42 years. It has some lovely patina on it, but overall this thing actually is going to clean up well. Right there is a section you just wipe off with your finger. Same thing with right here, you can see the shine. So this engine is seized up. We do need to go ahead and remove it, but before we do that, we would like to clean this thing so we're not fighting all this grease and whatnot. So I've already hosed down the inside of the intakes with WD-40. Again, this thing's seized up, so it's not like it really matters, but then we always put rags in them. So we're gonna avoid spraying directly in here. That's usually a comment I get. But yeah, plugs are seized in this thing, and that's not gonna matter. But this is very reminiscent of my blue 75, which was in the same location. We're at the OG brick house right now. So yeah. I do have the left side cover. It is cracked. I will remove this one, but I want to put some heat on it and take my time so we don't crack it. But yeah, we'll take that off eventually. Oh yeah, that cleans up good. Look at that. I hate these handlebars so much. Okay, let's do this. So much junk come out of this bag of pipe. Oh, yeah. Snap. Okay. Good kid, Spider-Man. All right. It's kind of a cool header. Wow, look at that wood in it.
That would have caught fire eventually.
Nice. Oh, look at that. We still got, is that the washer? No. You feel how soft that thing is, that it's like so deteriorated.
Oh wow, yeah.
Broken down. There we go. Whoop.
Sorry.
This one doesn't have a part number.
It's 400-271-8920.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Coming?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Wait, wasn't this bracket underneath the oil?
Oh yeah, we need that to come out.
Yeah.
Dang it, man. Colton's like, doesn't this need to come off? And I'm like, no, it does not. New guy.
New guy.
What do you know?
Like, this is awful stiff for all the bolts being out.
Yeah, I know, it didn't move.
No.
I think we should go back or down or what?
Probably down.
Yeah, okay. All right, hang on.
Yep. Okay. Oh, you're good.
All right, we're gonna go out that way. Use 2x4. You're gonna have to just walk it out that way. There you go. All right.
And it's as easy as that.
And like that, the engine is out. Like that, just super quick, you know, snap of your fingers. So, I would still like to complain about the fact that you have to pull the engine out to even get the valve cover off on these things. Not much room, but we still love these things. So, we're gonna start tearing into this engine, and I think that is gonna be the start of the next video. What went wrong? Why is it locked up? And we'll go from there. Brick house builds where things gotta die. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. We're reviving this project and we're getting going on it again. I know you guys are excited about it. We are excited about it too. So in the next video, you're gonna be seeing what we're doing here, and we're gonna be tearing down this engine and figuring out exactly what went wrong with it and what we were battling. So anyway, I hope you guys like this one. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.